Yeah, you know it's only you I ever wanted, but still you front like I was never being honest. I'll try to find the way inside. Like what you think, what you thought, nigga. How can we fix it? We're a perfect good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be attempting to clean the office today. It is a whole mess. I don't know if I even want to show you guys the before, but it's so bad. So we're gonna declutter and organize the office today. So let's get started. But before we do, if you aren't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, want more, smash the like button, comment down below, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos. So let's get into it. that's the end of the video, you guys. You know, as you can see, it's not 100% perfect. Take off my glasses, there's a glare. But that's just what the office is looking like, well, slash storage room is looking like for the time being, until, you know, we get a bigger place. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, as you can see from what it was before, this is a huge, did you just spit up on me? This is just a huge improvement. So this is just what everything is looking like. You know, I try my best to keep it clean, but obviously, you know, thank you. I had a little helper that's just putting everything where they don't need to go. But that's just the end of the video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos. Remember, I love you and God loves you. See you in my next video. Peace.
Like what you think, what you thought, nigga. How can we fix it? We're apart, figured that we should take time.